Good morning, student. Today I will read in EVS chapter 9. Chapter 9 is It's Raining. In this chapter, you learned about banana tree, an elephant, and about raining. In this chapter, one elephant, an elephant name is Appu. So now let's start. Chapter 9 name is It's Raining. So in this chapter, you will see some pictures, and so let's start the story. Appu ate bananas. Appu likes bananas very much. You also like a banana? Yes, some students, yes, some children, mostly peoples like a banana. So banana tree is here and one elephant is here. But elephant name is what? Appu. So Appu, he plucks and eats banana from the trees every day. Appu plucked the banana from the tree, and after that he ate. Yes. One day he saw that the banana trees were dropping. Dropping means latakna. You can say some banana on a tree. So you can say in the dropping also. It had not rained for a long time. Mean that when you also will see in your weather, if not raining, so then what happened? Flower also dropped from latakna. Yeah, mean that murjhana you can say. Okay, so flower also dropping and plant also dropping because they have no water. So water is not there. So plant also dropping. So banana tree also dropping. I must get water in my tongue, said Appu. Who said? Appu. Appu is thought, if I will take the water from the tree, so tree live. He started walking towards the river. Mean that he gone to near of river, and after he started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his tongue. In the picture, you see he goes to near of water and take a bath. Appu taking a bath and enjoy. When you go near of swimming pool and take bath or river, so you enjoy also. Yes, you enjoy it. Yes, I know you enjoy. So now, student, Appu also enjoy after bathing. After bathing, then he carried water in his trunk. Mean that Appu take a water in a trunk and gone near of tree and poured it on the banana trees. In this picture, you will see Appu given the water to tree. As soon as the banana trees got water, they come alive. Also, when you given the water to plant, the plant also alive. So same here, when given the water Appu to plant also, banana tree also came alive. Appu said, from now on I will get water for you every day. Appu said to banana tree that he will give to water every day, and you also give me ripe and tasty banana. Who's given? Banana tree. Banana tree, if given the Appu, after that when given the water Appu to tree, and tree given the ripe and tasty bananas to Appu. It's a nice story. Yeah. So enjoy it. Some question is here, but answer is not here. So I will send your answer in your notes. You will see there. Now you read in the story that Appu watered the banana tree, but elephants don't water trees. Mean that you also seen anywhere some people given the water to tree, but some are not. So Appu also some animal not given. Look like a Appu. Appu given the water, but other animals not given the water on the tree. Then where do plants get water from? Plants mostly get water from rain. Which plant they given? Don't given animal? Yeah, people given the water. To where plants take the water from the rain. from the rain. When it's rain, plants seem to get a new look. After raining, plants look like a new when it's raining. Let us read a poem. Mean that one poem is here. So read it and enjoy this poem also. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. In this lines here in this poem about the clouds. Clouds look in a sky. Yes, some clouds is here, but every clouds have a different color. Some is white, some is grey, some in black. Also, when you will look in sky, then some more different colors have a cloud. Elephants and horses and some picture also. Some picture mean that they look like a buffalo. It's look like a swan. Look like a elephant. So also clouds have more color in this picture and different color cloud, so also different shapes. Sometimes in movements they come, in movements they go. Sometimes clouds come in the sky, sometimes they go. Sometimes they freeze and for weeks they stay. Sometimes clouds living in a sky and sometimes for a week, but sometimes disappear. Sometimes they disappear for many a day. One day, a day, or many days, sometimes disappear. Disappear means that gayab. Clouds also in a sky sometimes disappear. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder. Pour means barasna, thunder means garajna. Clouds also in a sky sometimes pour and sometimes thunder. Spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. Sometimes look like a rainbow. Look like rainbow is here. It is a rainbow. Yes, cloud look like a rainbow. And sometimes they hail, plating the ground, breaking the glass in raining chimes. When raining in the sky, then clouds is thunder to look like a plating the ground and breaking the glass. Yes, enjoy this story. In this story, students, in this time also rainy season, to look in the sky, sometime clouds is there or sometime or not. When clouds sound pour and thunder, so sometime all one say raining, is raining, yeah, it has raining. So a cloud also tell raining is coming. So now this poem written by Harish Nigam. Some question is here. So this also answer I will send in your notes. But have you in this topic make a paper boat, Meena, and float in on water. Also you make, I know very well, you make a paper boat and when it's raining, so then float in a water. Have you had any problems during rains? Have you seen anyone else having any problem? It is not compulsory. When it's raining, then everyone enjoy. Some have many problems. Many people have many problems due to the rains. So now draw a picture of your experience in the rain. When you have a experience, so make a picture. Some are happy, some are sad. Mean that if you are happy, to make a picture look like a happy, and some are sad to look like a picture of sad when it's raining. So students, enjoy this story. Yes. So student, this chapter you enjoy? Yes, because it's a nice story. If you any problem, you read again this story and enjoy it. Thank you.